Hello and welcome. My name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a software consultant. Do you know that? Hey darling! What? I found a USB stick! It's shaped like a guitar! What's on it? Oh, bring it to me. I have my computers on. Now, that the wrong computer selected for plugging in that USB stick might be a wrong idea will show if when the system is turning black. Having some monkeys there maybe on the screen. Hello, now encrypted. So helping our users up there to not making that mistake, there is the device control in Endpoint Central. So have fun with it. Here we are in the device control module. And as you can see, we can see nothing. It is empty yet. There is computers without policy. There's two computers without any policy. And yeah, let's go and get through all the module. Let's do some testings. What do we have here? Policies. Policy creation. We can create here any policies to deploy on Windows and Mac machines. There are some pre-configured policies already. Yeah, but we're gonna configure one on our own. Deploy policy, no deployment yet. And what else do we have? Temporary access, no temporary access yet. And we have trusted devices, no trusted device list yet. Let's have a look about the settings. Audit settings. Yeah, device audit reports. I am gonna get that to 30 days to keep the reports, file audit reports. When we do file audits, yeah, let's have them at 30 days as well, and file shadowing reports as well. File archive reports, have that at 30 days as well. So that's my minimum recommendation. Have it at 30 days each. Save it. Alert settings. Alert for blocked device detection and alert for temporary access requests. We should enter an appropriate email address. Fine, done. Extensions grouping. Here we have already some groupings for audio and video files with the extensions available. You can see them here, and if you wish, you can modify and add some extensions on your needs as well, or remove some if you want to remove some. And you can add a new group for your own software if you want. Cancel. Right, let's start. Where to start? Best would be to start with a trusted device group. Create such a group. And now we want to add a removable storage device to that group. First, let's check what's going on. I'm gonna insert one. I wanna have one USB device, removable storage, added in the trusted devices group. Let's add that, and here you can see I have that USB stick, and there is one file already in it. I can move it, remove it, change it, start it, open it. Okay, and then let's block that devices. So let's block that particular device, or let's block all removable storage devices. Policy creation, let's first do that. go Windows, and then we will say it is the policy block USB removable storage. Okay, removable storage block. Fine, it's blocked. And then let's go to the device audit. Yes, monitor all device activities, generate reports from agent 24 hours, and yeah, send blocked device details to server immediately. Notification settings. Custom notification, the device access is restricted as another title, and this device has been restricted. Contact your friendly system administrator. Friendly system administrator. Okay, enable temporary access request as well. Cool. Okay, save and publish. Now we got to deploy this policy. We are gonna deploy that to a custom device group. Let's create one first for that. Let's create a device control test static, and I'm gonna use that system I'm on here. Create policy created. Okay, let's go back. And now let's have a look. This device group, here is no refresh button. I don't know, device control test. Yeah, it refreshed it on its own. Great thing. Device control test. Available policy. I'm gonna get my USB block policy, and that's this one, and deploy immediately. Again, policy creation. This is the one we've created. Unauthorized devices already one. And then let's have a look. Temporary access policy. Is it already published? Applied successfully. All right, dashboard. Computers with policy is one, associated policy, and computers only one in there. Nice. Let's see what happens when I'm gonna plug that device in now. Okay, there's the pop-up. Yeah, device access restricted. It is restricted, and I can ask for a temporary access. Device has been restricted. Contact your system friendly administrator. Okay, and here I can ask for that access. Let's try it out for an hour, and I just want to have this. Yeah, please give me access for a presentation. Okay, let's send that request. Now let's go to the temporary access portal. Yes, agent request, there it is. Temporary access for, yeah, runtime in my PC. Yes, of course. Action. And now, device count. Let's have a look what is in there. Okay, it shows me the policy, it shows me the removable storage device. What is it? And now let's go modify. Okay, everything is filled in already. The device is in here. I do not have to, I could add another device as well, but it is already pre-filled. And now file access settings for removable storage device, restrict file transfer. I could do that, restrict modifications and transfer of files to removable storage device. File transfer, yeah, I want to have full access. I give it full access. Maximum allowed file size and such. I could do that here as well. I'm just pushing that immediately. Deploy immediately. Now, let's see if the temporary access portal is giving me some more informations already. Let's go there and let's go in that agent tray icon, right click. Yeah, it's in German. I am so sorry. Temporary access portal, show it. Okay. There's nothing in. Oh, yes, this is to ask for it. Okay, fine. Let's have a look. It is approved. Maybe that device is working now. File Explorer, and now this PC. Still nothing to see. USB? No. So now I'm gonna plug it out and plug it in again. Sometimes that helps. Yeah, there it is. Come on, back. Here, there it is. And now I have access again. I can open that and what's that? Blocked. No, it is not blocked. It is open. I can open the file now. Great thing, temporary access has been granted. Yep. Now let's see what else we can do with it. We could go to the trusted device list, have a look on the removable storage devices. This is the one I just gave temporary access. Should be that serial number. Let's have a look. 1204 temporary access. Which device has been asked? Yeah, 1204. So I could go now and create a trusted device list and add that. Okay, let's add that to that trusted device group, trusted Jürgen. And if I want to have more, I could add new devices over here. Next. Okay, thank you for the information with vendor IDs and something. And I could import even from a CSV file. Okay, that would make it tremendously easy if I'm moving and migrating from another solution. Add existing device. I already have it added now, and let's save that list. Save it. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'll just go here and modify that. No. Wrong. Cancel. Now I'm going to my temporary access portal and have a look here. Let's modify that. Here you could even download a code for a to add that code into the temporary access portal. You could even mail that code to a specific email address in order to add that code to your temporary access portal. It would look like that when we go here at, come on, temporary access portal. And there is apply code. So just enter that temporary access code, that file, that TA file you received with the email, or just download it. Okay, and then it would be free to access that device as well. All right, I'm gonna modify that temporary access now and revoke. Are you sure you want to revoke temporary access for this device? Yes, that's why I clicked that. Thank you. It is revoked. So now I shouldn't be able again to access that one. Let's see. Blocked without any unplugging or something. It is missing now. Okay, now let's go and create a policy to deploy the trusted device group so that it will be available again, that storage device. We will create now deploy policy. Just let's revoke that one. Dissociate all policies or modify. Let's revoke. Now let's dissociate this policy so that this policy is off now, and let's create a new policy with trusted device only. This is trusted device only. Removable storage devices. Allow trusted devices. Let's take that one. And now file access settings. Want to have that? No. Disable autorun. Yes, of course. Access settings for unencrypted devices not configured. Block or read only. Read only is cool. Notify end users to encrypt device for write access. Encrypt method with default 128-bit or 256-bit encryption. Based on available encryption type in Windows, encryption will be made on AES, XTS, or CBC. Okay, interesting. So we could enable that as well. Let's try that with a 256-bit encryption. And this is only for the trusted device group, and we have only that APASA inside there. Custom notification, enable temporary access request again, why not? And save and publish. By publishing, it won't be out there. It's just available, not as a draft. It is available for a deployment. Now, let's associate this policy again to my device group, device control test group. And it has been the trusted device only Jürgen. Okay. Deploy immediately. Well, I'm interested in what will go on. It is already applied. Dashboard. Okay, computers with blocked. Let's have a look what is blocked. Okay, it has still that that block informations from what we did earlier, and there is another list possible to see. Let's go to the computers, manage computers. What do we see here? Group name. Okay, that's the where it is in that machine. Policies, that's the policy deployed to that system with details. Device audit. Yeah, blocked allowed, what we did, file tracing and file shadowing, and device manager. Devices are yet to be detected. Okay, let's detect that devices. I want to see that file manager, how it looked like. Okay, that's quick. I see the CD-ROM drive, Bluetooth adapters, wireless network adapters, imaging devices, mouse. and keyboards. Okay, with device instances, and I can copy that in order to get that on my list for allowed devices. Cool. Now let's have let's check if the device is possible to get accessed. Dashboard. What does it show? Oh, let's start that. If I have access. Yes, I have access. It's the trusted device what is available right now. Okay, nice. Works. Allow device events. View allowed devices. Removable storage device with that number. Okay. So it works with creating, a policy for block USB removable storage devices as an example, and it worked to have to make a temporary access request. We had that. We tested to revoke it. It worked immediately. Then we built a trusted device group for removable storage, having only that one USB storage device in it. And then we created a policy in order to allow that trusted device only group. And that worked smooth and fast as well. The only thing right now I am missing is let's have a look in that policy again. Modify. Yeah, that read-only access settings for unencrypted devices. Notify end user to encrypt device for write access. There has been no dialogue. Okay, let's see. Maybe when I wanna, I can open the file, okay, but maybe if I want to write something, it won't work. Let's create a new folder. Now it is asking me for drive encryption required. Okay, encrypt this drive. Why not? Now I have to enter a keyword, a password. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Encryption in progress. Do not remove the drive until encryption is complete. Encryption status. Okay, and it is starting the encryption. 98%. That's quick. It's a small USB drive. Nothing on it. It shouldn't take a long time. Finished. Okay. It's done. Let's try to get in again. Yes. I've clicked too many times. All right, let's go somewhere else. Let's go back again and let's try to add now a folder. It is encrypted. What have I done wrong? Oh, maybe I missed the unplug and plug again. Plug in. Oh, now it shows that is encrypted. And I want to access it. Now let's add a folder. Again is asking me about encryption. It is already do not encrypt. Maybe it is only folders that I cannot create. Let's create a file. encrypt again wouldn't make sense, I believe. So let's cancel this. Interesting. It's still only allowing me to open the document. Let's save it with a new name. I already encrypted. That's from one click earlier. Not possible. Okay, so this is not working yet. I maybe have to make a reboot, but making a reboot, it is already encrypted. Let's just remove that and try to plug it in again. I can open it, create a new one. Now it is working. Okay, plug it in and plug it out and plug it in again. Okay, maybe I have been too quick. Maybe sometimes I would need a better portion of patience. I just thought everything is right away here. But that's why we are here. That's testing. So now I can create and copy and do whatever I want, now that it is finally encrypted. Okay, so if it is not working, unplug, plug in again. Even after encryption is done, do the same. And so even this functionality is working, having devices encrypted. Cool thing. Now let's disassociate this policy, because I have a lot of other devices I want to access without that policy. So dissociate all policies would mean that now all other devices will be allowed again, all other removable storage devices. That's it with the device control. Easy, isn't it? Yes, some things might be not that out of the box. You need to know, plug it out, plug it in again, maybe twice, and then with the encryption it would work. Or better yet, have some more patience than me. Just wait a bit more. Okay, so have fun testing on your own. See you soon.